All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Python class, and today we'll be looking at Python dictionary. Um, as you all know, we've looked at the list, we've looked at tuple, and we've looked at set. So today we'll be looking at dictionary, which is the fourth data type that we have, the fourth data type collection that we have in Python. So a dictionary is used to store values in key to value. What do we mean by key to value? That is, we store our value using key and value in dictionary. So also a dictionary is a collection which is ordered. So dictionary is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. So dictionary is ordered, it is changeable, but does not allow duplicates. Dictionary can be written with a curly bracket. Is written with a curly bracket and have key and values in it. Let's quickly declare a variable for a dictionary. First, this is the symbol we use to write a dictionary. Then we want to declare a variable for it. Then let's say my dict equals this. I can decide to do it this way. Sorry, okay. Then I want to add value to the dictionary. Then we have brand. Most of the time is used to get collections of some data that require special grouping. Or let's first of all create a simple dictionary. We have model, and that is Mustang, and let's look at another one, that is year. Let's give it a year, and the year is let's say 1964. Now this is a dictionary. As you can see, that we have value, key, ratio, value. What do you mean by key? The first word here is the key, while the one that follows after the ratio is the value. The first word is the key and value. So that's why we said a dictionary work in form of key and value. So if I print my dict now, it's going to give us this as values. So how can we make use of the items? Since our dictionary are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicate, then since we can present it in key and value, then the items in it can be accessed by the name of the key. Like how? For example, I want to know the name of the brand. You understand? The brand name of this car. So I can say print my dict, and this is how you get the values. You put your square bracket with the quote. Which of the key? Is it the model I want to know, or the brand, or the year? So if I want to know the model, I will just type model and it will tell me the model. That is how to get the value of a of an item in a dictionary. So also, if I want to duplicate the year, for example, I have this model now and I feel like, okay, I want to add more year, and I say year, ratio, and I put 2020. If I print my dict, it will not give me the one that was there before. Rather, it will give me the new one that have been inputted in it. So when it comes to the duplicate aspect, it does not allow duplicate. Rather, it will overwrite the existing value of that key. Then we can also check the length of our dictionary by saying print n n. We put the name of the dictionary, my dict, and you will see what? 3. Remember, we use length. Length, if you want to know the length of your values, or your dictionary, or your list, or set, or tuple, you make use of length. Also, we can make use of different data types in our dictionary, and our dictionary can also contain a list. Let's quickly declare, okay, I will add more value to this dict by adding another value like color, and this color I want to make sure it has a list of name, which is red, blue, yellow. I want to also make sure that it has a boolean. So let me just say, uh since we now have electric car invoke, so let me say electric, then I put false. So now enter. If I print my dict, you will see that it accepts all these data types. It accepts a string, it accepts numbers, it accepts boolean, it also accepts a list in it. That's iterative element is also accepted. So also we can check the type by using what? Print type my dict. We use the type function to check for the class, and that will tell us that what? The variable is holding a data type of a dictionary. Then we can also use dict constructor to create a dictionary. By doing so, we say let's create my dict2, and we want to use dict constructor. So we have dict, and we open and close our bracket. Thereafter, you put the names, the key and the value. But the way you put the key and the value in here is different from the other way we used to do it if you are using their constructor, and it's different from the way you write your dictionary naturally. So when you're using the constructor, you only put the name, the key and the value using assignment operator, such as now we want to add names of name, age and country of a person. So we say name is equals to John, comma, age equals to 35, comma, country equals to Norway. Now if we press enter and we print my dict2, immediately we are going to have our dictionary printed out. So also we